nest where birds love to be. O for owl who hoots at night. P for panda, cuddly and white.
Q for queen wearing her crown. R for rabbit hopping round town. S for sun shining so bright. T for tiger strong with stripes. U for umbrella when it rains. V for van driving through the lanes. W for whale swimming in the sea. X for target fun playing happily.